Time to get rich.
Most people know how to buy crypto, but almost nobody knows how to sell. And that's why most profits disappear. A coin goes up 2x, then 5x, then 10x. And instead of selling, people keep holding, waiting for more. Then the market crashes, and suddenly, that 10x becomes a 2x, or worse. Sound familiar? The problem isn't buying. The problem is not having an exit plan. Most investors are reacting. Instead of executing, they trade with emotions. Not rules, and emotions always lose. Here's what usually happens. Bitcoin goes up. People get excited. It goes up even more. Now they're greedy. They start believing. It will never stop. Every prediction becomes bullish. Every headline screams higher prices. Then the market drops. Just a little. People say, it's only a correction. Then it drops again and again. Now they're not investors anymore. They're praying.
Help me, please.
That's the emotional cycle, and it destroys portfolios. So how do you know when to sell? Signal number 1. Your target gets hit. Before you buy, you should already know your exit. Not a feeling, a number, a specific price. Because if you don't have a target, the market will make the decision for you. And it won't be pretty. When your target arrives, take profit. No hesitation. No greed. Just execution. Signal number 2. The reason you bought changes. Price alone is not a reason to sell, but broken fundamentals are. Ask yourself one question. Why did I buy this coin?
Strong team, real users, and a clear roadmap.
If that reason no longer exists, neither should your position. Maybe the team disappeared. Maybe the project failed. Maybe a competitor won. Whatever the reason, don't marry your bags. Signal number 3. Everyone becomes bullish. Your friends are talking about crypto. Your barber is talking about crypto. Your family is asking what coin to buy. Social media is filled with moon emojis. Every thumbnail predicts insane prices. That's when you pay attention. Because when the crowd gets euphoric, smart money is usually leaving. Quietly. Without announcing it. Now here's a simple framework. The 3-part exit strategy. When your target gets close, split your position into 3 pieces. Sell the first third, and lock in profits. Now the pressure is gone. Sell the second third. If the price keeps climbing, enjoy the extra gains. Then keep the final third running, but protect it. Use a trailing stop. If the market reverses, you exit automatically. Simple. Effective. No guessing. No gambling. And most importantly, no regrets. Because here's the truth. Nobody sells the exact top. Nobody. Not influencers. Not traders. Not institutions. The goal is not perfection. The goal is profit. The biggest mistake investors make is waiting until they feel ready. But that feeling never comes. When prices rise, you want more. When prices fall, you want a recovery. So you do nothing, and doing nothing usually costs the most. That's why successful investors follow rules, not emotions. Write your exit plan. before you buy. Stick to it. Trust it. Because the best time to decide when to sell is before you ever enter the trade.